Hey everybody, this is a weekly trade. In this video I'm going to show how I was able to make $350 in less than a minute. And we're going to select the strategies tab. We're going to use a bracket of 10. Canceling 10. Bracket placement time is going to be 10, 29, 59. Trade 2 contracts, target 15. Stop the 10, enable the live account, select true, select apply, okay, and strategies enabled. Alright, in 10 seconds our brackets are going to enter the chart and the trade is going to start.
Order canceled.
Less than a second, $350. Well, that's just another example of how easy our software is to use and how profitable it can be. If you're interested in becoming a member of our service, you can visit us at evtradesolutions.com, select the payment button, go through the payment process. If you have any questions about our service, you can fill out the form on our website. And don't forget to give a like, a comment in the video, let us know how we're doing. I'll see you in the next one.